Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a declutter makeup video. I am going to be decluttering my vanity. I did let you guys know in my other vlog that I wanted to do that video, and some of you guys said yes, so I am going to be doing that video today. So I'm going to be decluttering my makeup with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you are so excited to declutter with me, then keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started. So first things first is I have to remove all this makeup. I'm basically just organizing this drawer because it's where I throw everything, like everything that doesn't fit on top of my vanity. I usually just throw it in here. So this is what I need to clean today. So I'm basically just gonna remove like everything that's in here, and then I'm gonna go in and wipe it down with some Clorox to get it nice and clean. And yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished look once I'm done emptying this out, cleaning it out, wiping it down, and all that good stuff. So let's get started with this declutter. Okay guys, so I finished organizing and decluttering my vanity. If you guys can see, I organized it. So basically I just got these little containers from Dollar Tree, and this helps a lot with organizing your vanity. So I basically threw out all the old makeup that I don't use. I just threw it here in my garbage can. And yeah, I just organized it. Everything that I use on a daily basis, I have it in here. So yeah, I just reorganized it. I put these containers. These help a lot when it comes to organizing your makeup. I definitely recommend that you buy those, especially if you want to organize a little bit better. I love those. They're $1. You can't go wrong. They just help you organize a lot. So yeah, that is it for my decluttering and organizing video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.